Mr. Sarthak, how will you do the question?
So we'll find the area of the whole square. So it will be 49 centimeters square. And
Okay.
then we find the area of the circle,
How will we find the area of the circle?
pi r square.
What will be the r?
So 7 centimeters.
Mr. Satya, what will be the r?
Sir, 22 upon 7.
I'm sorry?
22 upon 7.
Sir, the value of pi is 22 by 7. Any doubt?
No doubt.
Mr. Satya, have we reviewed these two videos or not?
Yes, sir. I watched it before the class.
Did you watch or did you solve the questions?
Sir, I watched it.
सर वो वॉचिंग से कुछ नहीं होगा. आप मेरी बात समझ रहे हैं सत्या?
Yes, sir.
So your homework is just solve all the questions which are discussed in these two videos. Any doubt?
No doubt, sir.
Sir, this is a very basic, these two videos are very basic, where we have discussed the area and circumference of a circle. So there are a lot of questions which are discussed here.
Okay, sir.
And submit me the solutions by Sunday. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
So Mr. Sarthak, yeah. Yes, Mr. Sarthak. What will be the radius of the circle?
So 3.5, 22 upon 7 into 3.5 into 3.5.
No, just tell me the radius of the circle.
3.5.
Why 3.5?
So because it's half of the side of the square.
Mr. Satya, any doubt?
No doubt, sir.
Mr. Satya, the circle is touching the square. So therefore, this is 3.5, this is 3.5, and that is why whole of this is 7 centimeter. Any doubt?
No doubt.
Mr. Sarthak, am I correct?
Yes, sir.
So that is why what you are suggesting is that the area of the circle would be equal to pi r square, and this would be pi into 3.5 square. Mr. Satya, any doubt?
No, sir.
So therefore, Mr. Satya, area of the shaded portion would be, Mr. Satya,
So the area of the rectangle,
yeah,
which is 7 into 7 times 4.
Mr. Satya, we are not practicing the questions. Mr. Satya, what is the area of a square? Area of a square.
Side into side.
Side into side. What is the perimeter of a square?
Side into 4.
Side into 4. Mr. Sarthak, is it correct or incorrect?
That's correct.
Mr. Satya, what we need to understand is to calculate the perimeter, all that we need to do is we need to start from here, go around the circle or square or rectangle. Now, in a square, because each side is s, that is why the perimeter of a square is 4s. Any doubt?
No, sir.
If this was a rectangle, then this would be L, this would be B, this would be L, this would be B. Again, to find the perimeter, all that I need to do is start from here, go here, this is L, then I have to add B, then I have to add L, then again a B. Now this will be equal to 2L plus 2B, which is equal to twice of L plus B. This is the perimeter of a rectangle. Any doubt, Mr.
No,
Sarthak?
sir.
And Mr. Sarthak, what will be the, sorry, Mr. Satya, what will be the area of a rectangle?
Say L into B.
L into B. Mr. Sarthak, is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Satya, we need to review this playlist. All the questions have been done here. Square, rectangle, circle, everything is done here. Perimeter, area, everything is, you will find everything here. Mr. Satya.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So the area of the shaded portion would be the area of the square 7 square minus pi r square minus pi into 3.5 square. Sarthak, any doubt?
No, sir.
Mr. Satya, any doubt?
No, sir.
So these kind of questions would be there, yeah, and easily you should be able to do these questions. So for example, another way in which this question can be found that we have discussed right now. See, another way this question can be formed is a question like this. Sarthak, can you tell me how to find the area of the shaded portion?
We'll calculate the area of the two semicircles, and then we'll calculate the area of the whole square. Then add the semicircle's area and subtract it from 14, 14 into 14.
Mr. Satya, what will be the radius of this circle? Mr. Satya.
So 7.
Shabash. Mr. Sarthak, is it correct?
Yes, sir.
So Mr. Sarthak, what I'm suggesting is that you know that this and this, they will add, these are two hemispheres and they will add to form a single circle of radius 7 centimeter. Mr. Sarthak, do we agree?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Satya, do we agree?
Yes, sir.
So Mr. Satya, how will I find the area of the shaded portion?
So first you have to find the area of the square.
Okay.
So it would be 14 into 14.
Okay.
Then we have to find the area of the circle. So it would be pi r square,
Yeah.
like 14 square minus pi r square. So it
Pi
would be the final answer.
pi r square. Mr. Sarthak, is it correct?
Yes, sir.
So area of the shaded portion, would be equal to area of the square, which is 14 square, minus pi into 7 square. Satya, is there a doubt?
No, sir.
So what I'm trying to tell you is that questions like this or questions like this can be easily solved if you understand the concept once. Satya, any doubt?
No, sir.
But of course, before you start doing this question, you should be able to do elementary questions like this: how to find the circumference, how to find the area. Satya, can you see the screen?
Yeah, sir.
So these are the kind of questions, these are the simple questions you should be able to do before you start doing these heavy duty questions. Any doubt?
No doubt, sir.